In this video, we will learn 35 easy ways to make money online without investment. Do you know there could be 100 ways to make money online? Anyone from anywhere can do it by just having a computer or laptop or mobile with an internet connection, and the best ways you can quickly earn serious cash without leaving your home. This video covers all the ways for a person who wants to earn money online. Let's get into it. The number one is to become a web developer. As a web developer, your role is to design, create, and maintain websites and apps. This job can be done from home and gives you the freedom to take on as much or as little work as you like. The internet grows exponentially day by day, with nearly 380 websites created every minute. Web developers are in high demand. The number two is to become a writer. Being a freelance writer is a super varied and exciting role that can earn you money from the comfort of your own home. You can produce copy for adverts and marketing campaigns for one-off clients, or establish long-term contracts for creating content for websites and magazines. To do well as a freelance writer, you'll need to build up a credible portfolio. The number three is to become a YouTuber. Getting started on YouTube is easier than you think. You'll only need unique content, a camera, a computer, some editing software, and a high-speed internet connection to upload videos. On average, YouTube monetization for 1,000 views ranges from $0.5 to $6 based on the location of viewers and the target audience. The number four is to become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a sales technique used by companies to increase their brand exposure and to generate more traffic to their website. Becoming an affiliate marketer is an easy way to earn money, particularly if you already have a significant online presence. Businesses that you work with will ask you to link their products in your posts, video descriptions, or blog articles in exchange for a commission per sale. The number five is to become an online tutor. Being an online tutor consists of providing tutoring virtually via apps such as Skype for one-on-one tuition. The market for virtual education is growing as it's far more flexible than enrolling in a formal course and allows customers to find better tutors who may not be local. Preply.com, Chegg.com, and Wizant.com are useful platforms for remote tutors to attract clients.
The number six is to buy and sell domains. It was announced on June 18, 2019 that voice.com was sold for $30 million, the biggest publicly reported all-cash domain sale of all time. You can purchase domains from domain registrars such as GoDaddy.com, Bluehost.com, and others. Hold the domains until they increase in value and then sell them on for a healthy profit on a third-party domain listing site such as Afternic.com, Brandbucket.com, and Flippa.com.
The number seven is to buy and sell second-hand books. Second-hand books are one of the most lucrative items you can buy and sell online. There's a massive demand for second-hand books, which beat the prices of retail stores. One significant market is students, who frequently look to buying used study material to save money on piles of expensive textbooks. The number eight is to buy and sell websites. Buying existing websites and improving their overall functionality, performance, appearance, and traffic before selling them on can be a very profitable earner. You can buy websites through FEInternational.com, VasilDiarsite.com, Flippa.com, and WebsiteBroker.com. Once you've purchased a site, look at improving the overall content and layout and work on SEO. You can then list the site on auction platforms such as BuySellEmpire.com or the ones mentioned above.
The number nine is to complete paid online surveys. Completing paid surveys online is an easy way to make extra cash on the side. You're unlikely to get rich with the money from survey sites, but many of them do offer real cash, gift cards, and other perks for those who provide insights for their market research initiatives. To start earning money with paid surveys, sign up to swagbucks.com, onepoll.com, lifepointspanel.com, and Toluna.com. The number 10 is to create and sell stock photos. Are you a passionate photographer? Selling stock photos is a fantastic way to turn your hobby into a profit. Produce high-quality images and videos which will be approved by stock photography sites. You can upload your images to stock photo marketplace and websites such as shutterstock.com, payloadz.com, and Adobe Stock, formerly Fotolia, to start selling and earning. Share your work and start earning. The number 11 is to create presentations. Do you have experience in building presentations with programs such as PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google Slides? If the answer is yes, you can sell your skills and earn money as a freelance presentation designer. It's easiest and most effective to find clients on freelance websites such as Fiverr.com and peopleperhour.com. Make sure you've got a portfolio showcasing your best work to generate clients. The number 12 is to get paid to play games. Do you like playing games on your computer, tablet, or mobile? Great news! You can now get paid to play online games from the comfort of your living room. Sites such as swagbucks.com, inboxdollars.com, and pointclub.com host hundreds of games which you can play for cash. The number 13 is to get paid to search the web. Getting paid to search the web has never been easier. Browser add-ons such as qme.com enable you to earn quick cash by simply searching in browsers such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. The number 14 is to narrate audiobooks and do voiceovers. One of the most exciting ways to make money online is to become a narrator or voiceover artist. It's a quick moneymaker as it requires little equipment. You can get hold of a decent microphone and some professional recording and editing software for a modest price and get going straight away. Audacity is free to download and straightforward to use. The number 15 is to offer SEO services. Are you familiar with search engine optimization techniques? If so, you can make significant money by helping online businesses optimize their content and marketing to expand their client reach and company exposure. You'll need to be familiar in keyword research, what words to use and how in any text on a company's website to maximize their appearance in Google searches. The number 16 is to produce and sell your music on the web. Another easily monetized skill is musical ability. You can either record your music yourself or pay for a session at a studio to record some tracks. After that, you can upload them to any music distribution site to start generating a passive income. Stores like iTunes, Spotify, Amazon, Google Play and SoundCloud are the most popular for budding music artists. The number 17 is to proofread content. A proofreader is someone who examines written content such as articles, essays, and other documents for grammatical, typographical, punctuation and formatting errors. As a proofreader, you will be responsible for correcting most of these mistakes and drawing attention to others. You'll need excellent written skills and impeccable attention to detail to spot even the smallest of errors, such as an extra space. For skilled writers, proofreading requires little effort and is easy to do from home. Sites such as purecontent.com, fiverr.com, and scribemedia.com offers editing and proofreading roles. The number 18 is to rent out your spare room on Airbnb. Do you have a spare room or vacant property and are you in need of extra income? Renting your surplus space out online is an easy and effective way to earn extra cash. With the launch of websites such as Airbnb.com, Hometogo.com, Flucky.com, listing your room or property has never been easier. The number 19 is to review music. Are you a music lover who regularly listens to new artists in your spare time? Reviewing music is a great way to earn a little extra cash from doing something you enjoy. Sites such as slicedhp.com are paying users to listen to a range of new music and leave reviews. The number 20 is to sell crafts on Etsy. Are you passionate about arts and crafts? Would you like to make extra cash from doing something you love? Creative skills are easy to monetize and selling your art pieces on Etsy.com is a great way to start earning an income from your hobby. The number 21 is to sell logos and design work. If you are creative with a background in visual concepts and design, and some knowledge of editing software, you can use your skills to make significant money online through freelance graphic design. Sites such as solidgigs.com, flexjobs.com, fiverr.com, and 99designs.com are reputable platforms offering freelance and remote graphic designers a place to upload their services to an established market, making it easy to find paid work. The number 22 is to sell your designs on Teespring. If you want to try your hand at something a little more creative, you can make money by selling t-shirt designs on teespring.com. Designs are easy to produce, and you can get selling straight away. The website will take a base price from each sale, but the sale price is up to you. All profits are yours to keep. The number 23 is to sell your illustrations. Any creative skills are super easy to monetize. If you're a talented artist, you can sell your designs on an online shop for money. Websites like Etsy are helpful platforms to post, promote, and sell your designs and are perfect for generating a passive income. To generate a more active income, you can advertise your services through a freelance website. Individual and corporate clients may commission you for all kinds of projects, which is a far more lucrative way to earn as an illustrator. Larger projects or batch work can make you a significant profit. The number 24 is to sell your recipes. Are you passionate about cooking and love creating recipes? Another hobby turned profit maker is producing and selling recipes online. You can start making cash straight away by uploading your recipes to magazine sites such as tasteofhome.com, cuisineathome.com, and cookinglight.com. So sorry to interrupt, but before we move on, I'd like to add something quickly. If you like the content and find it useful, hit the like button in appreciation and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. The number 25 is to start a legal writing service. Anyone with a legal background and a knack for writing can make money online by offering a legal writing service. To procure credible clients, you'll need to be able to demonstrate significant experience in the law industry or a relevant degree. The number 26 is to start an e-commerce store. Creating an online shop, known as an e-commerce store, is a lucrative way to make money online. You can easily set up an e-commerce store on platforms such as Shopify.com. Create a strong brand and advertise your store through social media and Facebook ads to increase traffic to your website. The number 27 is to start dropshipping. A rapidly growing branch of e-commerce is dropshipping, the retail method of selling online without ever physically handling the stock. To set up a dropshipping store, consider using platforms such as WordPress.org and Shopify.com. To find suppliers, search on AliExpress.com, Spocket.com, and SaleHoo.com, where you can find an extensive range of suppliers in multiple industries. The number 28 is to start your own website. First off, you'll need to create a website. A popular and simple way to make a website is to use WordPress, which also offers an added membership plugin should you wish to monetize your website that way. If done right, websites can bring in a lot of money. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative options. Use your website to endorse products and provide an affiliate link to the vendor's web page. The number 29 is to test and review products. Earn cash rewards for leaving honest reviews on your online purchases. The reason for paid product testing is that brands would like to know what consumers think about their newest products they're developing. To make money testing products, you'll want to register with several sites. Sign up to be a tester on a site like usertesting.com and testingtime.com. The number 30 is to test apps for cash. App testing is a fun and easy way to make money online. As an app tester, you'll download a new app before it's launched to the public to give feedback on its usability, functionality, and consistency. Sign up to a third-party platform such as ubertesters.com. Here, you'll need to fill out a short form giving information on yourself and your technical skills. The number 31 is to translate for money. Language skills are in high demand. If you can speak another language, you can easily make money online. Translation services cover anything from letters, emails, full documents, books, or passports. Translation is a difficult skill. You can charge a fee per word, per page, or per document for larger projects. The number 32 is to develop web themes and plugins. For experienced coders, Designing web themes and developing plugins can be a lucrative way to make money online. When companies look to create websites, many will purchase theme packages with specific graphics to create a uniform design. Plugins add particular features to websites, for example, adding membership options or embedding features from other sites such as the YouTube. The number 33 is to work as a freelancer online. Freelancing is growing in popularity. Do you have technical skills such as software development, web development, writing, data entry or graphic design? Almost any skill is marketable thanks to the internet. Platforms such as Upwork.com and Fiverr have made it quick and easy to get going. Freelancing websites such as freelancer.com and peopleperhour.com are a few of the many platforms available to market your services. The number 34 is to write and publish an ebook. Ebooks have made publishing a book far more accessible. It's an easy way to make a passive income. Websites such as Amazon allow you to self-publish and sell ebooks for free. The best places to sell an ebook are Blurb, Amazon Kindle and Payhip as they attract high traffic volume, perfect for a passive income. The number 35 is to write CVs and cover letters. Finding a job can be a long, hard slog. Job seekers are familiar with countless rejections, which is why more and more job hunters are turning to professionals with help in producing impressive CVs and cover letters.